They look just like in Battlefield 1. Wow.
No.
Come on again. I feel like I'm searching for emeralds. This is gonna be sketchy going down. I can finally relax on a bench. The views are splendid. Man, if this is not scary, I don't know what is.
Priorities.
As you guys see, there are a lot of tunnels in these mountains.
Oh.
Okay. Oh, it's cold, huh? So we're gonna continue to Galleria Italiana Antiquima. It's cold, right?
Yeah. Ah.
Careful, because it's wet. Hey doggy. Hey. You know guys, I want to say something really funny. You know those Minecraft tunnels? I feel like I'm searching for emeralds.
Passo.
You can see people on the other side. And there's water all over the floor. Wow. Wow. Man, if this is not scary, I don't know what is.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's check. Guys, if you like what we post, if you like our content, subscribe and comment and leave a like. And follow us on Instagram, @Adrian_official. I don't hear nobody. Wow.
No.
Come on, again.
No.
Come on, again.
Just a second.
Hi.
Okay, got it.
Damn. It's a bomb. No, it's not a bomb. Is this the end?
Wir wollten zuerst auch einen aufgeben, heute haben die Kinder nicht mitgespielt.
Oh. I don't know. No, it goes even further. We're gonna go there now. Whoa, nice, huh? Yeah. They look just like in Battlefield 1. Careful, okay? Oops, water. They were shooting from these holes, right?
Yeah, but did you read what they shoot?
Artillery?
Artillery.
Yeah. Easy, cause it's wet. I really don't like it with wet shoes. Officer's hat. Okay, I see food, I see cans. Nice view out here though. We arrive at a crossroad. I hear people on the right.
So go there.
I feel like Gandalf right now.
Yeah, that way.
That way?
Yeah.
You sure? Okay, I see light. Oh, I don't know, man. I guess let's check this one. This seems more interesting. Hey.
Hi.
Wow. This is like a trench. Oops. Wow. Wow. This is cool, man. Can I go up here? Whoa. Let's check this attic or whatever it is. Ooh. Sketchy. Ah. Yeah, my back.
Dude, how do you feel?
It's a window where you can look. Of course. And here is probably a shooting tunnel. Yeah. Okay, let's go back. This is gonna be sketchy going down.
Is this something interesting up there?
Not really, but
Okay.
I have to stay down because those tunnels are narrow. Another lookout window, okay? Okay. The view on this one is amazing, to be honest. Look at those rocks. Oh, careful. They seem like they're gonna fall. Oh man. Let me pass.
That goes down to the left.
We have no idea.
I don't know.
Nobody knows anything here, to be honest. Everyone is just surviving. Take care. Easy. Wow, it's amazing. Look at this shot, man. Hey, I gotta say it. If you like what we post, subscribe and comment and like. Follow us on Instagram, Poland_official, because it's going to help us so much. Man, there's almost like a blue color on this valley. I don't know what, how to explain it. It looks blue that way. Funivia! Hell yeah! We got some equipment over here. People taking shots over there. Refugio La Gazoi, 2,752 meters high. I can finally relax on a bench. The views are splendid. It's a good thing. The path to the peak is really easy. The Dolomites are so beautiful, guys. Oh my, I just have no words. Wow, it's so high up. I know you guys cannot see, but it's so high up. I'm so lucky to be here. It's pay. We've got to pay, guys. How much? €1. Hell nah. I've got eyes. Anyways, we arrived, guys, at the peak. Yay! Okay guys, we're gonna end this video here. We've been through, I don't know, I think about 1 kilometer of tunnels. Subscribe if you like the video, leave a like, a comment. I don't know, follow us on Instagram on _Adrian_official, and follow us more because we're gonna post so much more stuff. Thank you for watching, and these are the Dolomites. Amazing. Whoop. Take care guys, bye.